This is my new favourite colour grading tool in Davinci Resolve 18. To find the colour page, go over here to where it says colour and press on it, and then you're on the colour page. Now, I'm going to show you my new favourite tool. So the tool is right here in the panel bits, and it's called RGB Mixer. You press on it, and it should look a lot like this. So you have the blue output, green output, and red output, and let's just move all of them up to 2. And look at that, just saturation has gone up. You can see on your scopes down here that it's changed. And you can reset it all by pressing this button, so you could just reset the blue one. Or if you want to reset the whole thing, you press this button here. I just think it's good to just have a play around. Let's say I move it all to 1.21 on the blue, green and the red. You can see it looks like this, and then when you reset it, you can see that it looks a little bit more darker. And it's just different compared to if you lower, just make it higher. Just looks a little bit more brighter, I guess. If you are interested, I have a video on how to use the colour whopper tool in Davinci Resolve 18, which I think you should check out right now.